Eindhoven, a dynamic city located in the southern Netherlands, stands as a vibrant hub of innovation, design, and cultural diversity. With a rich industrial history and a forward-looking spirit, Eindhoven offers a wide range of activities and experiences that showcase its modern charm, creative endeavors, and a palpable sense of energy. The city's transformation from an industrial center to a cutting-edge design and technology hub is evident in its architecture, urban planning, and cultural scene. The Evolution, a futuristic building that resembles a UFO, is an iconic symbol of Eindhoven's forward-thinking approach. The Strijdbest district, a former industrial site turned creative hub, is now a thriving neighborhood filled with art studios, design shops, galleries, and trendy cafes, encapsulating the city's innovation-driven identity. Eindhoven's dedication to design is celebrated through institutions like the Design Academy Eindhoven and the Van Abbe Museum, an internationally renowned contemporary art museum. The annual Dutch Design Week, one of the largest design events in Europe, transforms the city into a hub of creativity, allowing visitors to engage with groundbreaking design concepts and visionary ideas. Technology enthusiasts will find Eindhoven's high-tech campus and the innovative initiatives of companies like Philips Lighting captivating. The Philips Museum provides insights into the city's industrial legacy and its role in shaping modern technology. The FNR, a cultural and music venue, adds a lively touch to the city's nightlife and cultural offerings. Eindhoven's multicultural character is reflected in its diverse culinary scene, with restaurants serving international cuisines alongside traditional Dutch dishes. The city's bustling food markets, like the Feel Good Market, offer an array of local products, artisanal foods, and handmade crafts. Straatumseind, one of the longest pub streets in the Netherlands, is a hotspot for nightlife, offering an array of bars, clubs, and live music venues. The city's outdoor spaces contribute to its appeal, with parks like the Juniper Parks providing recreational opportunities like hiking, cycling, and water activities. Eindhoven's central location allows for easy exploration of nearby attractions, including the historic town of 's-Hertogenbosch and the scenic landscapes of Brabant. Eindhoven's friendly and welcoming locals create an atmosphere of warmth, making visitors feel at home as they navigate the city's modern neighborhoods and historic sites. Whether you're immersing yourself in the realm of design, embracing the city's technological advancements, savoring its diverse cuisines, or simply enjoying its artistic ambience, Eindhoven offers an immersive experience that captures the essence of innovation and creativity, leaving an indelible mark on all who explore its captivating streets.